Hello everyone, now I am going to tell you definitions and samples of 10 words. First, abandon. Abandon is a verb. It means to give up or to leave. For example, the captain gave the order to abandon ship. Part of speech. Abandonment is a noun. Second, adversely. Adversely is an adjective in harmful way or negatively. For example, the products doesn't adversely affect pregnant female cats. Part of speech. Adversity is a noun and adverse is an adjective. Aggregate. Aggregate is also an adjective. It means gathered into or amounting to the whole. For example, the 7 companies have an aggregate turnover of $5 million. Part of speech. Aggregate is a noun and verb. Cultivation. Cultivation is a noun. It means preparing the land to grow crops and improvement for agricultural purposes. For example, in Kyrgyzstan, the cultivation is extensive but receives a little attention. Part of speech. Cultivate is a verb. Fertilize. Fertilize is a verb. It means to supply with nourishment plants by adding helpful substances to the soil. For example, the producers use artificial insemination to fertilize the eggs. Part of speech. Fertilizer is a noun and fertilization is also a noun. Intensify. Intensify is also a verb. It means to increase in power and to act with increased strength. For example, the conflict is almost bound to intensify. Part of speech. Intensification is a noun and intense is an adjective. Irrigation. Irrigation is a noun. It means supplying of water to dry land. For example, irrigation work have been carried out in various parts. Part of speech. Irrigate is a verb. Obtain. Obtain is a verb. It means to gain possession of or to get. For example, the perfect body has always been difficult to obtain. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a noun, and the process by which green plants make their own food, combining water and carbon dioxide. In the carbon dioxide in the presence of light. Also, for example, photosynthesis. A process is called photosynthesis. Part of speech. Photosynthesize. Photosynthesize is a verb. Precipitation. Precipitation is a noun. It means water that falls to the Earth's surface. For example, the average precipitation for the state about 52 in.